You need to make sure you have the downloader app. You can get it free from the Amazon App Store or using the search function on the Firestick. Now you will need to open the downloader app and then put in the web address we are typing in and then click on Go. You will need to wait for the app to download. After the mouse toggle app has downloaded, choose Install and wait for the app to install. Now that the app has installed, choose Open. All you need to do now is make sure the Enable Mouse Services is set to None, should be blue circle. And press the back button on the remote control to go back to the Amazon main home screen. Now you will need to go in any app you have, and to activate the mouse toggle you need to press the play button on the remote 2 times to activate mouse toggle mode. Then you can use a mouse on the screen, and to turn it off just press the play button 2 more times. Mouse toggle is good for Android apps you sideload on your Firestick that are not fully supported by the Amazon remote.